This is the part 7 of a simple Linux dev environment setup. Here, gonna do some test development. So gonna test out the Python setup here. It's ready for NLP stuff. So I'm gonna test out the Sparsy and Google Translate API. Gonna do some basic translation. Since I'm learning Thai, so I'm gonna translate English to Thai using Google Translate in Python, and gonna throw in Sparsy to see if it's working or not. Gonna install virtual environment. I've been using shortcuts on my other machine, so kind of forget. Okay, it should be here on this Linux. Should use apt install python venv. Okay. Our source venv bin activate to activate the virtual environment. Gonna import Sparsy and Google Translate because I want to test them out for my NLP stuff. So let's see. Pip install Sparsy. And I need to download EN Core Web SM model for Sparsy. We're gonna use the Python -m Sparsy download command to download it. Now we're gonna install Google Translation. Let's use the version 4.0. So Sparsy load's gonna load the language model that we downloaded to NLP, and then we're gonna use the lemmatization, which is a process that's used in NLP to reduce words to their base or root form, also known as lemma. So this is especially useful when working with text data. So that's it, like helps to normalize words that they can be more easily analyzed and compared. Now the translator object to translate lemmatized English text to Thai. So specify the source language as English and the destination language as Thai. I'm gonna print out the original text, which is English, and the translated text, which is Thai. And let's see. Okay, so if you're into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing.